Hi, let's talk about APN, what it is, why it's important, and how to set a custom APN on your Teltonika networking device. APN, or Access Point Name, is what connects your device to the internet through a mobile operator. It ensures your device communicates properly with the mobile network. Teltonika networking devices are designed to automatically detect and configure APN based on your SIM card operator. This feature is ideal when you're moving between locations with different providers, or you're using well-known operators supported by the Auto APN database. If you want a deeper dive into how it works, check out this video. However, there are times when you might need to set a custom APN manually, especially if you're using a less common provider or have a specific network requirements. To configure a custom APN for your specific use case, open the browser and log into your device's web UI by using its LAN IP address and admin credentials. Once logged in, go to Network, Mobile, General, scroll down to Mobile Interface APN Configuration and disable the Auto APN toggle button. Once disabled, in the APN field, type your custom APN. Certain APNs require additional authentication. If that's the case, you should configure the authentication part based on your operator's requirements and guidelines. And finally, click Save and apply your changes. Normally, setting a custom APN should restart your device mobile connection, but you can also do it manually by navigating to Status, Network, Mobile, and clicking on Restart Connection. Whether you're using Auto APN feature or setting a custom one, staying connected with Teltonika networking devices is easy. Don't forget to follow our channel for more valuable tips and tricks. See you in the next video.